completed installation. Here our outback system in a floating mode. Inverter there working. Our input switches coming from PV system, the breakers to protect the circuitry, E-panels, a transfer switch, and lightning arrestor. Our battery banks and solar coming out of there. So we have a complete system there and connection coming back to the JPS's breaker panel. Work is still being done inside the home. So our connection would have came in, sent to the breaker. So once everything is cleaned up, but the chunking up there, that's us. Come across, meet back over here, seamless installation. We punch a hole somewhere in that corner there to meet back on the outside. I'll show you that in a second. So it comes back through in that box here, which we'll be covering in a little while. And batteries are there. Goes back to here. Most are chunking up there to go to the rooftop. Then we have a lightning rod that comes here and goes down to the ground there to protect your system if you have a lightning issue.